In the largest continent of India. India is the 7th largest country in the world. Our country has good features like rich soil, minerals, fertile land, mountains, plateaus, desert, etc. It has forests, wild animals, and many beautiful sightseeing places in it. Area. India is a very big country. From north to south, it is about 3,200 kilometers long, and from east to west, it is about 2,900 kilometers. Its land frontier is about 15,200 kilometers. It has a coastline of about 7,500 kilometers. Its total land area is about 32,90,000 square kilometer. Boundaries. India is shaped like a union of two triangles. In the north, we have the Himalayas. In the east, we have the Bay of Bengal. In the west, we have the Arabian Sea. In the south, we have Indian Ocean. India is surrounded by water on the three sides. So, India is called a peninsular country. Its location is suitable for trade and transport. Persons from any country can travel easily to our country by water or air. China, Nepal and Bhutan, Myanmar, Burma, Bangladesh, Pakistan and Sri Lanka are our neighboring countries. Our national symbols. National anthem. Jana Gana Mana. Rabindranath Tagore has written our national anthem. National song. Bande Mataram. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee has written our national song. National animal. Tiger. National flower. Lotus. National river. Ganga. National bird. Peacock. National game. Hockey. National tree. Banyan tree. National fruit. Mango. National musical instrument. Veena. National flag. Our national flag has 3 colors. Pingali Venkaya designed our tricolor flag. Our flag has 3 colors, namely saffron, white and green. Saffron stands for sacrifice and courage. White stands for purity, peace, and green stands for prosperity and agriculture. The wheel in the middle of the flag stands for the 24 hours in a day and for progress. In India, people of all religions behave like brothers and sisters. Here, people speak different languages and wear different dresses. Though we have different languages, religions and ethics, there is unity in diversity. Celebrations that unite our nation. Irrespective of religion and region, people all over India celebrate national festivals. Services like communications and railways, which are common to all the states, also promote the idea that India is a union. We celebrate our Independence Day on 15th August of every year with patriotic spirit. India won independence on this day in 1947. We celebrate Republic Day on 26 January every year. India became republic on this day in 1950. Some other national celebrations in India. Martyrs' Day, 30th January of every year. Mahatma Gandhi passed away on this day in 1948. Teachers' Day, 5th September. Birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, the first Vice President of India. Children's Day, 14th November. Birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Gandhi Jayanti, 2nd October. Birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. It is the 7th largest country in the world. It is the second most populated country in the world. Its land surface is not the same everywhere. There are forests, hills, mountains, plains, plateaus, rocks, and even sandy deserts. India can be classified into 4 major landforms: the Himalayan range, Himalayan mountains, the northern plains, Gangetic plains, the peninsular plateau, Deccan Malwa plateaus, the coastal plains, the east coast and west coast. Further, it can also be divided into 2 parts, namely desert and island. The Himalayan range, Himalayan mountains. Himalayas are situated on the north of India like a natural high wall. They are called so because the peaks of these mountains are covered with snow throughout the year. They are divided into 3 ranges: the Greater Himalayas, the Middle Himalayas, and the Shivalik range. The world's highest peak, Mount Everest, lies in the greatest Himalayan range. Its height is 8,848 meters. It is in Nepal. The next highest peak, K2, 8,611 meters, and Kanchenjunga, 8,598, lie in Indian territory. Kashmir Valley lies in the middle of Lesser Himalayas. The third part is the Shivalik range or Outer Himalayas. There are forests called Terai Forest at the foot of the hills. The river Ganga, the Yamuna, the Satluj, the Brahmaputra, and many other rivers originate in the Himalayas. They are the perennial rivers in which water flows throughout the year. The northern plains or Gangetic plains, the Coromandel. These coastal plains have moderate climate. They are neither very hot nor very cold. The deserts, a large area of dry land covered with sand, is called desert. There is a big desert in the northwest of India. It is called the Thar Desert. Most part of this desert is in western Rajasthan. Here, the summers are very hot and the winters are too cold. Life in desert region is very hard. It is not thickly populated like other regions. Thorny bushes can grow in this region. Camel, the ship of the desert, is the only fill in the blank.